pagal karine je meni jara tora sago nazara mate lage prema nazara
सेपटे हैंडशेक कला बेली खाली बाबा चार हिरोइन तमे तो खाली कन कन गोटे गोटे मु चाहिए मो हिरो पाई समस्त दी हाथ टेकी गोटे जोरदार जबरदस्त हो जाऊ तर कुछ कुछ या बालरे नन्नी छनी हे जीव मन आओ कुचिया बालरे नन्नी छनी हे जीव मन तर कुछ या बालरे नन्नी छनी
Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika. Today I'll start the array. This is what now how to declare the array, now how to access the array, okay, then how to initialize the array. These things I will tell you now. So before that I want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share so that your friends will be know how to use the array. So here I will declare gedit array one.sh. Understood? So understood, when you compile the array program or run the array program, you will write the bsh, so it will be execute, otherwise it will display bad files. Okay, so here I will declare suppose arr, okay, is equal to, suppose here I given 1 2, okay, array value have 3 4 5. So this array value is given by the parenthesis 1 2 3 4 5. So I will close it. Okay, so how many elements I have passed, I don't know. So I want to dynamically what now find the length of the array. So for that use what now, this is the dollar, then will be write the hash, okay, hash, then use the array name, okay, it will be give the address symbol. It is used to find how many array arguments, array values are there. So here you can write also echo, okay, dollar ARR harder. So I'll show you. It is directly find the length of the array. Okay, then you check whether it is displayed or not. But display the array element is the 5. Okay, so 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you want to display directly the whole array element, so to display instead of array size, you want to directly display the array elements. So here you will write the dollar, then you will use the not hash symbol, only ARR, okay, at the rate, okay, square bracket close, then bracket close. Okay, then I want to check it whether it is working or not. So here you will be write also echo, okay, elements are okay. So here you will double quote, and here you write, okay, total elements are size of the array, size of array. Okay, so now I'll show you whether it is working or not. So here I'll be compile this. Okay, elements. So now I want to access these elements by using for loop. Okay, so how to write it? You can write also for I in, you will be write this number. Okay, it will be directly replace the value of this. So here I have written this. Okay, then I will be display can do, okay, echo, what to write here? Now dollar I means will be, this value will be replaced here. So dollar I, that means in starting value is the 1, so it will display the 1. Okay, so here I will be write the done, then you can display whether it is displaying or not. So here you will be write the batch, or it will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so another way you can display the array. Okay, instead of that in this slide, you can I want to take the array values, okay, by taking the input. So how to this? Okay, so here I'll be close this. Okay, so here also I'll be close this. I'll be suppose write the another way, declare, okay, minus a, suppose ARR. Array is the, okay, here I have declared array name is ARR. So now I'll be initialize. So I is equal to suppose taken the 0. Okay, so suppose here echo, I'll be write enter the array name. Okay, so enter the array name here. Okay, array size, enter the array size. Okay, so here I'll be write the read. Okay, so here you can write also while, okay, dollar I, okay, while dollar I minus LT dollar size. Okay, then you can write do access the array element, you only write, okay, read, okay, ARR, okay, will be give the index dollar I. Okay, then here you can write, okay, then you will be increment the I, so you will write I is equal to, okay, you can write also EXPR, okay, dollar I plus 1. Okay, so here you can write the done. So if in C you can use the convert, then here you can write while, okay, here bracket I less than n. Okay, so instead of do, here you will be give the bracket. Okay, so here you can write also, okay, scanf, okay, what now percentile D, okay, ampersand ARR of I. Okay, So next here you can take the I plus plus. I is equal to I plus 1. Instead of a done, here you will close the bracket. Okay, so this is the C coding you can write. Okay, so here I will remove this. So this is the input purpose. If again you want to display, then what will do, you will write also while. Okay, so before that you will be make initialize again I equal to 0. Okay, for display purpose, then here write while. Okay, then $I minus LT dollar size. Okay, then echo will be access the array element. First will write the do. Okay, then access the array element, you will write echo. Okay, dollar, then you will write the curly braces. Okay, then you will write the array name ARR. Okay, $I is the index. Okay, so here close the bracket, then I will be write I is equal to EXPR. Okay, $I plus 1. So then you write the done. Then see whether it is working or not. I will be closed. Then here I will tell you, before write any program, you will be use the clear. In will be clear automatically by using this command. So clearatively I will be take 6. So it will be again enter 6 value 1, 2, 5, 6, and so here you will actually matches line 14, 18. So okay, line 14 I think I have missed the double quotation here. Okay, so I'll be use this again, close, and then we'll see it is working or not. So 5 I have entered, 7, 8, 3, 2, 7. So it will display. So I'll be make it modified echo enter array elements. Okay, so next, okay, you write echo elements are okay. So here I will close this. Okay, then we'll see whether it is running or not. So 5, the elements are, so 5, 8, 2, 9, suppose 3. Then elements are 5, 8, 2, 9, 3. I think you will be better understood. So if you have understood, then comment us. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, then like and put your comments below comment line. Okay, if you are new to my channel, subscribe. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye. Thank you.